This is reverse order, but this is the layout of Christmas at Railroads on Parade. Skiers warming up by the fire. You see many engines going through the snow. Okay, as we come over this, you'll see how incredibly detailed all these layouts are. Okay, see that North Troll Train going into that tunnel. Hopefully you can see how crazy beautiful the detail work is on these layouts. As we come around here to a wooded mountain at dusk. The seasons change, so you'll probably see as I'm going through this, it get brighter. That's not because the lighting is different by section, it's because they have both a daytime and a nighttime version of all of this great detail work in the train layout. So this section is the station at Citigroup Center of the Adirondacks in 1955. This is one of my favorite sections. You see the carnival in the background, but also Great Farm and Farmstead. You can see when these trains sail by how well scaled it all is, with a very Adirondack landscape coming around. You'll see the bright lights of the carnival, which are one of the best things to look at nighttime of Railroads on Parade. You'll probably notice it's starting to get a little bit brighter. But look at the working Skywheel and Ferris wheel, they're beautiful. You'll probably see in the distance just how far around this layout really goes. Okay. Come around here. Let's see. More trains with an old mountain lodge there in the center. And look at the rock work of that mountain. Just absolutely beautiful. Let's see. That lodge is looking great. Jake looking on in the background. We come in here to just a really, really stunning section of the track. Trains in the background. Those valleys are worth seeing in the daytime. I'm going to come back when the sun finishes rising. Let's see, all famous drive-in movie theater there to the right. Ah, sunrise over the mountains.
Isn't it beautiful?
There it is.
Isn't it beautiful, Tom?
It is. Incredibly detailed trains running in the background. See more coming through. Hey folks, I'll loop around here, see the rest of this, and no, you're good. In the daytime. Oh, let me show this detail. I love it so much as the trains go by. You see a construction site with diggers.
They could be digging.
Miniatures, sawing, hammering, raising walls, framing some houses in Citigroup Center. Okay. So anyway, fantastic layout here. You can see in the background that this just goes forever and ever. Excellent trip to Railroads on Parade.